Ripple now registered as a Wyoming business.
XRP Army!
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I am Ryan Huggins. I am winning, and so are you. And if you are new to the channel, we cover crypto and surfing the markets and surfing the waves on this channel. So if you like either of those, go ahead and click that subscribe button. So today, we are going to be covering what? XRP. Finally, some good news for XRP. Here we go. All right, so here is some positive news for Ripple and XRP. Now, I know this is not major news, like, oh my gosh, we're going to be pumping $1 billion into XRP. However, this is extremely positive because if you've been following the channel or if you've been following the news on XRP, the only thing that has been coming out is negative news. It is like the Securities and Exchange Commission just keeps on pummeling and pummeling and pummeling XRP with negative news. So this is something that I'm seeing for me personally. By the way, this is financial education. This is not financial advice, but Ripple registering as a business in Wyoming, which is a very crypto-friendly state in the United States, shows that they may be in line for making a huge move. Now, obviously, they're in a lot of trouble for, I guess, like they're trying. The SEC is calling it insider trading and this, that, and the other. So they're not going to show their cards on why they are doing this. But let's go ahead and jump into this article and see what's going on here. So more crypto companies are realizing Wyoming is a better domicile than Delaware due to our crypto-friendly laws, said Caitlin Long. Blockchain-based payments firm Ripple Labs has now registered as a business in Wyoming. According to records from the Wyoming Secretary of State, Ripple Markets WY LLC's status as a local business is listed as active after an initial filing in February of 2020. As a limited liability company in Wyoming, Ripple's registered agent will be based in Cheyenne, Wyoming. More crypto companies are realizing Wyoming is a better domicile than Delaware due to our crypto-friendly laws, said Caitlin Long on Twitter. Long is the CEO of a digital bank, Avanti Bank and Trust, and associated with the state legislature's Select Committee on Blockchain, Financial Technology, and Digital Innovation. She said crypto firms like Ripple should consider relocating to Wyoming due to the state not having any corporate or franchise taxes and cryptocurrencies being exempt from property and sales tax. In addition, there is the presence of the U.S. Senator Cynthia Lummis. The Wyoming lawmaker is one of the first to say that digital assets will be a key part of her legislature agenda. Responding to the Ripple news, Lummis's state policy director said many people were maximalists on Wyoming. It does not appear as if Ripple will move its headquarters to the crypto-friendly state, as its principal office is still listed as San Francisco. However, both Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen and CEO Brad Garlinghouse have said that they are displeased with the seeming lack of regulatory clarity on crypto and blockchain in the United States. Wyoming is becoming one of the most attractive U.S. states for crypto and blockchain firms. Last year, the Wyoming State Banking Board granted crypto exchange Kraken a charter to operate as a crypto-friendly bank and gave Avanti the green light to receive a custody crypto in a similar fashion. In the wake of Tesla's $1.5 billion BTC purchase earlier this month, Senator Lummis invited CEO Musk to consider relocating to the state as well. Cointelegraph reached out to Ripple for comment, but did not receive a response at the time of publication. So if you're out there and you follow Ripple and XRP, what have you heard? What extra information are we missing here? Why are they moving to Wyoming? Why are they placing one of their new subsidiaries in Wyoming? what is the next move for XRP? If you could comment that down below, or if you think or you have an idea or a guess, go ahead and comment down below as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, just click that button right below. But let's go ahead and jump into the charts now and look at live XRP pricing and see if we can see anything here. Okay, so here we have the daily charts for XRP. And as you can see, it came into this section. This is a very key level for XRP lately. You can see it comes up and consolidates in here. And then this was actually back when the lawsuit was announced. It made it, the major crash, and everybody kind of consolidated reaccumulation here. But we've had a great buildup. This became a little resistance section here. It came back down after it bounced off that resistance, but it did finally power through at the beginning of February right here, and it made its way all the way up to the 63-cent mark, and then it had its rejection. But it's been hitting on this level here about 50 cents, and it hasn't really penetrated through. As you can see, the candle body did close a tiny bit below there yesterday, but already it's making its move back above this line here. And we have currently 1 hour and 54 minutes before that body of the candle closes. So we should see, if this body of the candle closes above this resistance line, then we have some momentum back up to the 63, 64 cent mark. And we're going to see if this just accumulates here. But is XRP planning to make a big move with this announcement here? Maybe they've got something up their sleeve that they could get some positive momentum going for XRP's coin. Let's go ahead and take it down to a smaller time frame here. Let's look at the 4 hour. All right, so as you can see here on the 4 hour chart, it came up and banged off that resistance and came all the way back down. And we remember that. Actually, this wasn't the lawsuit here. This was the just recent new extreme high of 75 cents. And it got pulled back down by the bears rather quickly. But it's been battling back, which is nice. It did get back up to where the candle body stopped here. And it's turned that into the new resistance, the ceiling that it needs to break through. On the 4 hour chart, it came back down and it's retesting this support level. And it has actually turned that support and it's going back up on its way to that resistance level. So there is a little bit of a smaller resistance right up in here. So we can see if it breaks through that 56, 57 cent level and then head back up to the 64 cent level. Let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour chart. And so as you can see, the momentum is just kind of trickling in. So this is definitely where it's sitting right now. We do want to see some more movement. It looks like it might even be coming down again to tap that support line. So we're going to see here. If you're looking for some buys on day trading, I would definitely wait to see what it's going to do, if it's going to come back to this local support, or if it's going to be able to build some momentum and break through here. So let's go ahead and turn our 5 and our 9 EMAs on, our moving averages. And so the moving average has crossed over. So our 5 moving average crossed over the 9 just now. As you can see right here, literally that last candle. So if this continues down, it does look like it has more momentum to the downside. Let's look at the 15-minute candle here, and you can see that it made the switch to the negative downside way back up here. And this candle currently, just this recent 15-minute candle, is trying to make this push. I wonder if it's because this news just broke. For any news right now for XRP is positive news, because it's been nothing but negative recently. So let's keep an eye on XRP and comment down below. Let me know where you see XRP going. Is there something up XRP's sleeve right now that we have not seen? It's making a nice move right now, and it's got some exhaustion down here. You can see that the bears try to run it all the way down here to the 52 cent level, and then the bulls bought it right back up. The bears try to bring it back down. Bears are still fighting. So the bulls are definitely jumping into the mix here with the green candles. We're going to see where this goes. So keep an eye on XRP. Talk to you soon.